Hi students, problem number 8. If the self-inductance of a 500 turn coil is 125 millihenry, then the self-inductance of a similar coil, okay, having 800 turns we have to determine. What do you mean by similar coil? When two coils are said to be similar, they must have the same length and the same area of cross section. Now the self-inductance of a coil is given by L is equal to mu naught N square A divided by L. So N is the number of turns and L is the length of the coil, A is the area of cross section. So here mu naught is constant and A and L, these are all constants, only N is a variable. Therefore L1 for the first coil must be proportional to what? N1 square. And for the second coil, L2 must be proportional to what? N2 square. So here N1 and N2 both are given. L1 is also given. Only unknown is L2. Therefore, L2 by L1 is equal to N2 by N1 the whole square. So N2 divided by N1 the whole square. Therefore, L2 is equal to L1 into N2 by N1 the whole square. Now we have to substitute for L1. So what is the self-inductance of the first coil is 125 millihenry. So this is 125 into 10 power minus 3 into N2, number of turns in the second coil is 800. Okay, so this is 800 divided by first coil is having 500 turns. So this is whole square. So the zeros get cancelled. So this must be equal to what? 125 into 10 power minus 3 into 8 square. 8 into 8. So that is 64 divided by 5 square. 5 square is 25. Now 125 divided by 25 is 5 times. So this is now equal to 5 into 64 into 10 power minus 3. So if you multiply means 64. So 6 into 5, 30. That is 300 plus 5 4s are 20. So this must be 320 into 10 power minus 3 Henry. So therefore L2 is equal to, okay, therefore L2 must be equal to 320 millihenry is the answer. This type of problems have been asked almost every year in the competitive exams like NEET and JEE, okay. So it appears to be very simple and easy. Not all the questions will be difficult. Some questions will be direct substitution type of problems like this also. Okay children, now what is the answer for this is option D. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, I hope you must have understood well. Fine.